Welcome to Advanced ETL Processor online tutorial. Today we will show you how to deal with nothing is mapped error. The first thing we need to do is to set data reader properties. Selecting source file. Let's delete data validator because we do not need it. Next step is to set data writer properties. Fields names are copied from the data reader. Setting target file name and format. We are now ready to process the data. Here is the problem: nothing is mapped. We have to map the data first. Now it is working.